Hi guys, welcoming you all to this video. I'm Abhivarman. Today we are going to see how to create a simple product within WooCommerce. Before starting with the video, do subscribe to our channel for more useful content. So simple product are the most straightforward type of product in WooCommerce. They consist of a single item without any variations, making them perfect for selling individual items like books or electronics. So adding a simple product requires just a few key details like product name, price, and description, making it quick and easy to get started. Now let's see how to create a simple product in WooCommerce. Open your WordPress dashboard, click on products, add new, your product name. I'm taking an example of t-shirt. You can give your product description here and you can add a product image in this column. I have selected a product image, set product image, and you can also give a category for your product. So already there is a category I have created for t-shirt. So let me click on it. Now we can give a regular price which should be higher than the sale price. So let me give as 500 and the sale price is 400. Let me preview it first. Yes, perfect. So this is how it's gonna look in our store. So let me go and publish it. Yes, it's been successfully published. So let me go to the shop. Yes, you can see your simple product has been published in your store. So thanks for watching the video. Let's see in next video. Bye.